Hi there, I'm Devin Patterson. I'm the Operational Support Manager at Kognitiv. I'm responsible for onboarding, training, and lifecycle support throughout our deployments with RemoteSpark. Today we're going to do a short remote demo. So this is a typical subject matter expert to remote worker scenario, and we're going to show you some of the core features of the solution. So RemoteSpark is an industrial-grade mixed reality worker support solution. It allows you to leverage your subject matter experts from their Windows 10 computer wherever they are and connect with a remote worker using the Microsoft HoloLens. It allows you to centralize your expertise, kind of do live knowledge transfer for the HoloLens user, the remote worker, so they can connect back to that expertise wherever it is around the world. They can stream the video. It's extremely low bandwidth solution, highly secure, so you can use it almost anywhere. Remote workers are able to connect back with that expertise, so instead of having to bring the experts to site, they're able to remotely troubleshoot, have the experts see what they see, diagnose the problem, and hopefully fix it first time. So this reduces the downtime on the piece of equipment, which in some industries is thousands of dollars per minute, per hour. It allows them to collaborate more quickly, facilitate that knowledge transfer, and get things up and running quicker. So important to note, everything you see in terms of the product is how it looks, feels, and functions today. Nothing's been edited or augmented in terms of functionality. So here we see the remote worker with the Microsoft HoloLens. She's able to open RemoteSpark and begin a remote support call with the subject matter expert. As he answers the call, they've got the live audio feed. He's able to see the first-person video from the Microsoft HoloLens, and they're able to talk to each other to discuss the problem to start initial troubleshooting. He's able to offer support, including live photo capture and ink annotation that the worker can access. If she has a question, he's able to capture an image, add an annotation to that. Now she's able to use that photo as a reference. She's able to leverage that, push it over top of the real object, and perform the task as her hands are free. So now as they further talk through, the subject matter expert has shared a 3D holographic model with the remote worker. This could be an existing CAD asset that's been traditionally seen on a 2D screen, but using the full 3D rendering capabilities of the HoloLens, she can anchor it and place it over top of the real object. In this case, the model has an animation or a sequence of steps that's been added to it. So she's able to play through the steps, see the procedure she's able to do, and her hands are free to still perform that task. The subject matter expert is able to talk her through those steps as well. She's moving on to another step here where the expert will share a document with her. So this could be a PDF or a Microsoft Office document. As she taps and places it within her workspace, she can again move it, position it around the object. And as she performs the task, she can look back, she can scroll through the pages, and the expert continues to talk her through it all while she uses that reference object as well. Now as the task's completed, she can hang up the call, but continue to leverage the 3D assets that have been shared with her. So what you just saw was a remote demo. So this is some of the key features of RemoteSpark. So our solution is designed to fit within your data governance policy requirements. So that means we can run off the shelf. The solution is designed to work on the cloud, or you can also work in your on-premise environments as well. The RemoteSpark is designed to work in low bandwidth environments. This means you can make video calls from the HoloLens using just a simple mobile hotspot with a couple bars of connectivity, as little as 256 kilobits per second. And you're able to do that live remote support call to your subject matter expert almost anywhere in the world. So please reach out to a Kognitiv team member if you have any questions, or contact us through our website. And thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.